right here. Okay. Now this one was a little harder, but again, it starts to chop up into the top, right? So as we're looking at this, now obviously this one is really hectic, but look, we already know that 447, 44 was critical. And you know what's funny? We've had this identified for a very long time. If you've heard me before, and this is why it's in gold, this number has been here for a long time. And I always talk about 447, 44 on SPY. It's been a thing for a while. That's why it matters. Came up. Here's your double bottom. Couldn't break. Pulls back, right? Now it didn't come all the way down, but it doesn't matter because we're talking about a scalping only technique. This is not a 2-minute EWO drill. This is scalping only, right? So again, comes up, pulls back, comes up, pulls back, comes up, pulls back. Do you guys see how you can trade off of that top? Do you see how that is
Yeah.
constant? It's just constant, right? Then it slowly creeps its way back up. Boom, there it is again. Pulls back. 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 Do you see how many times and why I picked it up here for the move back to the downside? Look how many times you could scalp off of that range. Do you see it?